Oh, my mom wants me to go home. Okay. Come on, Lily. Ruff. Hi, Mom. Hi, honey. Now just go to your room and clean up. But what happened is clean right when I left. Yours just didn't happen, darling. And why didn't you clean it up? Because we had nothing to do with it. It wasn't even our room. Have a good time. Man. Oh my gosh. Okay. You put that there and you put that on there. Put that up there and actually need to put that there. And maybe put the phone up there. You're lucky Mom and Dad didn't see you. Now go to bed. Okay, I should take my dog to the spa. Okay, I need to go to the bathroom. Okay. I mean, really? I never knew you could talk. She's lucky I didn't say vet. I said spa because, well, we're taking her to the vet, and I don't want her to go like this. You know? Yeah. Okay, let's all go to the vet. I mean the spa. I'm just used to saying the vet. Now, hop in this. Now, to get this car rolling. Here we go. Now, we need to get in. Come on, Lily. Ruff. Ruff. You can sit in the front seat, silly. Ruff. Wait, then why do we need it open? I never thought about it that way. There we go. Hey, come on. Gotta go to the vet. I mean the spa. Come sit up front, it's safer. Come on out, Lily. Come on, Lily. Do do do. Come on, Lily. Get in the car, Lily. And you're lucky you got a new collar, too. Ruff, ruff. Oh, she left you something. Yeah. She forgot to give you something, didn't she? Ruff. Well, then go get it. Ruff, ruff. You look adorable. Now, come on. Hold on. Want to ride? Sure. I love this car. Here, you can sit up front. No, it's fine. No, really. Okay. Now, come on. I didn't mean to do that. Come on, everybody out. Come in. There we go. Okay, come on, puppy. I need to feed you. Lily looks so adorable. I know. Now, where's your food? Oh, yeah. Just let me get it out if I can. There you go. Okay. Go to bed. Oh, I have to go to school. Mom, see you after school. Okay, while you're done, I'm gonna clean. I don't care. I was gonna say I'm gonna clean her room, but come on, Lily, you can wait here. Hide. Now I'm gonna go clean her room. Wait, why does she have a dog food? Why does she have dog bowls? Why does she have dog toys? Does she have a dog? If she does, I'm gonna be so mad at her. Daryl! You know my name is Max. Yes, but your middle name is Daryl. You got me there. Help me. Maybe it had something to do with me, so. Ugh. I think she has a pet. But what is it? A dog? Probably a dog since she has dog food. She's gonna be so much trouble when she gets home from school.